So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head it with search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.